Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. So today I'm going to be doing some passion twist. I already started on the back of my hair because I needed to get the hang of it before I got on camera and actually did my hair, so I wouldn't look like I didn't know what I was doing, because I really didn't know what I was doing at first, but I think I got the hang of it now. I did watch Slim Rashay's video. I'll link her video in the description box if y'all want to see her video. But anyway, this is what the back of my hair looks like, and these twists are actually really long. Like, y'all can't even see my waist, but it's like, I don't know, it hits like my hip a little bit when I stretch it. But anyway, let's just get into it. So I did prep my hair last night because I wanted to get this show on the road, because I need my hair to be done today. So what I did was, so what I did was I braided my hair a little bit, like right here, just a little bit, to give my twist like a start. So I'm gonna take this crochet needle, and this is the hair that I'm using. I purchased it from Amazon, and I got it in the color 1B, and it's what, 18 inches, and it's 7 packs in here. So yeah, I used like 1 pack for the back. So honestly and truly, I may have some hair left over. Not sure yet though, so we'll see. Okay, so I'm gonna make sure to detangle my hair. I did blow dry my hair, well, to do this style. So I'm gonna take my crochet needle, and this white residue is the African Pride Black Castor Miracle. This is the braid lock and twist gel, so I am using this on my twist. And don't mind my nails, y'all. One of my nails broke and I just cut all of them because no. So yeah, and I absolutely love the way that this stuff smells. It reminds me of something, but I can't like quite put my finger on it. But yeah, so I take the needle and I put it through my hair. Ouch. So I put it through my hair like so, like that. And so I put it like right here through my hair. So the braid, this is the braid, and then I put it through that part of my hair. And then I'm going to take the hair. So this is how the hair comes. It comes in like 7 packs with these little things. They're like in these little silver, y'all know these things that you get from the beauty supply store that you can use to like wrap around your braids or whatever. Just taking 2 of these, 2 pieces. I will say you have to be extremely careful when you're getting your hair, because this hair tangles so fast, like at the blink of an eye, literally. So I'm just taking 2 pieces because I don't feel like I need that much, and I don't want these to be heavy. So I'm going to take the hair and put it on the crochet needle, close it, and then pull it through. If I can get it through, yeah, pull it through, and then take this piece here and pull all of the hair, like my hair included, through it like so, and then just knot it around the braid. So it should look like this. And then I'm going to take a little bit of this twist and lock gel and separate my hair. So I'm going to separate it. So separate these 2 pieces. and then separate my hair into 2 pieces. And then I'm gonna take a little bit of this gel and just put it on my hair. And then take this half with this and this half with that one, and then begin my twist. I will say, see, y'all see how fast this hair tangles? It tangles so fast, so you have to be extremely careful. And then I'm gonna start twisting my hair while also applying some of this twist and lock gel. I don't want my hair to start poking out and being disrespectful. This is what my twist is looking like, and it's nice and long and juicy. And I'm gonna do the same exact thing that I did on this side right on over here. So you want to make sure your hair, your 2 pieces of hair, or however many pieces you decide to use, are the same length. So if you need to stretch it out a little bit, you can. So yeah, these 2 pieces are the same length. Okay, y'all, so I finally finished the entire back section of my hair.
Bruh.
It took about, what time is it? So about 4 hours to finish the backs. So these are what the twists look like in the back. And I feel like I have a lot. In the front, I'm gonna kind of try and make my parts look like something, but if not, oh well. And I honestly feel like it wouldn't have taken as long, but I had to stop a few times. Okay, y'all, so here I'm just going through and prepping the rest of my hair because it was taking me extremely too long to finish this style. So I'm just braiding my hair about a ½ inch throughout each section. And yeah, I feel like that helped a lot because I was able to finish this within like 30 minutes. And I should have just prepped my hair to begin with, but whatever, it's done now. So yeah. I still have 3 packs of hair left. And this is like the rest from the last pack that I had. So I think I'm gonna have some hair left over. So for the twist in the back, I may take those out and redo them because those first few twists that I did, tragic. And with the hair, you want to make sure that it's like on this hook. I don't know if y'all can see that. But you want to make sure it's like on this hook, like so, and then you want to close it, and then pull your hair through. It's really simple. And then you want to make sure you keep this little loop so that you can pull your hair in. So just take this little loop and you put all your hair in the braiding hair or passion twist hair through, and you just pull it like like so. And then I take some of the twist and lock gel and then just start twisting my hair. But for these twists, I twist it like towards my face. I think my camera is running out of storage. All right, y'all. So this is the last one.
Bruh.
So I'm going to stretch this hair out. I'm gonna do the same, honestly, the same exact thing that I've been doing. But I just wanted to come and show y'all that this is the last one. I'm finally done. My head doesn't feel too heavy, but I feel like I have a lot of braids. I mean, twists. I'm so used to doing braids that I call everything braids. But yeah, I feel like I have a lot of twists. I'm just gonna be honest with y'all. This hair is super, like, it gets tangled so fast. I don't like that at all. I'm gonna use 5 packs of hair and 5 and a little bit. This is what I have left from the last pack of hair. So that's not bad at all. I think that's pretty good. And last one. I'm so excited to be done. Finally done. So this is what my hair is looking like. So this is what the back looks like. I'm gonna dip my ends, but for right now, it looks like this. And yeah, it comes down to about like right here, my hip. Nothing too crazy. So yeah, this is the 18 inches. And I think it came out pretty freaking cute, if you ask me. Hey guys, so it's been a few days since I did this style. It's Thursday. I did these on Friday, so it'll be a week tomorrow that I did these twists, and they look cute still. The only thing that I will say is my scalp started itching like crazy on probably like Tuesday, Wednesday. So yeah, it was itching like crazy, but that's wasn't an issue. I just added some oil to my scalp and it's been fine ever since. So yeah, y'all, I absolutely still love my hair. Still love it. It came out cute. I would definitely do this style again, but I'll probably prep my hair the day before. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already. Share this video if you liked it or if you just love me. And I'll see you guys in my next video.
Black yo magic, that black yo magic.